everyone, it's Liane V and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. So today I did a smoky halo cat eye. I've never done this before and I love it. I used powders to create this liner. It is actually really easy, so I hope you guys try it, but here it is. You guys, so this completes the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it and make sure you comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Also, let me know what looks you want me to try and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.